Hi, my name is Shreeya and I'd be really happy if you subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon. So today I will tell you how to make 3 drinks that will improve your immunity and also keep your throat well. So the first one is ginger water. Let's get to its recipe.
So here we have the ingredients of ginger water. I have honey, some lemon juice and 1 ginger. We will not use the whole of it. We've just grated it and then we'll use it. Firstly, we'll take a glass of water and heat it in a pan. Then we'll add ginger, grated ginger to it and then mix it well. Now let it boil for some time and then strain it out in a glass. After you strained it out, then we just need to add a teaspoon of honey. You can add more if you like. Then I'm adding here lemon juice and just mix it. Here it is, it's ready. I have it every day, once at least, if not twice.
So the second one is golden milk. I think some of you guessed some ingredients of it by this name. So let's see the recipe.
The ingredients are honey, a glass of milk and some turmeric. So this is why the name is golden milk. So firstly we need to boil some milk and then add turmeric into it. You can add just a pinch of it. Here I'm adding some nuts, walnuts and almonds. You can also add raisins and then skip honey instead. Now just mix all this up and let it boil for a while. Now I'll pour this into a glass or a cup and then add some honey. It's ready.
So the third and last one is cinnamon milk. Let's get to it.
For cinnamon milk we'll need honey, a cup of milk and obviously powdered cinnamon. I have taken powdered cinnamon. So we'll boil some milk, add cinnamon to it and then mix it up well. Now pour it into a cup and just add honey to it. Now it's ready. Please tell me in the comments section which one is your favorite.
So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.